Have you and your neighbors noticed dark streaks on your roof? The discoloration can be seen on all types of roof surfaces. Algae is unsightly and, if left alone for many years, can shorten the life of your asphalt shingles and ruin the curb appeal of your single biggest investment. This form of algae is airborne and can easily spread from one roof to another. Shading from trees located too close to your home help with the spreading and growth. The closer homes are constructed, the faster the airborne algae will spread. Algae is just the beginning of this growing problem and quickly becomes a source of food for lichen and moss. Moss and lichen tend to absorb and hold additional moisture more than algae alone. The roots of the moss and lichen attach themselves, loosening the granules, which is ultimately destroying the integrity of your roof. Moss and lichen in heavily shaded north-facing areas will be even thicker due to lack of sunlight. For this reason, removal of moss and lichen becomes difficult, but not unobtainable. Roof manufacturers warn that lichen and moss can inhibit drainage, causing lifting of edges, make the roof slippery, and also add to premature deterioration. All roofing material will last longer when it's dry and well-maintained. Keeping it free of algae, lichen, and moss is just part of this process. If you are looking to have your roof cleaned, you can find a qualified soft wash roof cleaner at the National Soft Wash Alliance. An NSWA contractor has many years of experience cleaning all types of roofing surfaces. They will take the time to explain their cleaning procedures while adhering to industry safety standards. These contractors are insured, have years of experience, will make sure that your roof is being cleaned properly. By having your roof professionally cleaned to remove the algae, moss, and lichen, you just added many years of life to your roof. In addition, kept the shingles out of the local landfill, and most importantly, you didn't drain your bank account. To find a qualified professional in your area, please visit nationalsoftwashalliance.com.